From where? She has used her 2 leg and waka again. TK Maxx. TJ Maxx. Hello, Jello perfume. My friend Jello. Jello from the block, and this is just $12.99 at TK Maxx. I wanted to. Oh, this is pretty. Oh my God, this is beautiful. Look at package. Beautiful. Ooh.
I go to that JLo Glow. It's the glow in the bottle. This is the secret ingredient. 21 iterations of this to get it right.
It smells luxurious, but it is very, very faint. Luxurious. It's faint. It's very luxurious. That's all I can say. Very fresh. Smells innocent. Then another thing I got from TK Maxx, African black soap. Oh, the lip injection, how much was it? $9.99. $9.99. TK Maxx. Black soap, I use it to take off my makeup. That's my best. I use black soap. Either it's the one you buy in the African store, the one you buy from the village, or this one, it doesn't matter. African black soap, I need it because it's very, very nourishing, and it has antibacterial, blah blah blah. It's good. I use it. Yeah. Okay, I like it so much I got two different types. That's, you see, I'm crazy about African black soap. That's the only thing I use on my face to cleanse it. So this one is $3.99. This one is actually bigger than that one. This one was on sale for $3, and this one is $3.99. Look at the sizes. Now, wow. Yeah, I just like the way this one smelled. Herbal. Oh, hemp. You know, how you doing? That's what's inside this. It is very good for the skin. Yeah, cannabis is good for the skin. Yeah, it's good for the skin. So, but it smells so good. I think they added lemon and other things. It smells so good. I like this. So thank you guys. Always remember, be a point of light. Vielen Dank. How you like my eye? Okay, let's jewelries. One thing, if you know me, you know, certified accessory girl. I like my accessories. Yes. Okay. Look at this. Chain. If it's working. Is it working?
You still want it this close, right?
No, I'm good. I want it to be normal now. Yeah. Okay, so guys, yes, welcome to my channel. It's happening. Shein. Yes, Shein. Vagadus, Vagadum, Vigedum, Vigedum. She's back to Shein. I can finally wear my earrings. My goodness, I've been waiting. I've been holding up. I'm like, I don't want to do it before I show you guys Shein earrings. Okay, here we go. This one is red. Whew. This looks like rose petals, doesn't it though? Doesn't it though? Look at the back. That JLo perfume. Ooh, how you like this? It's happening. I really like this. I really like it. Okay, and this one, I don't know what this is. I don't know. It's been a minute since, it's been a long time since I ordered it. A long time. I've not been able to make review. As you guys know, I've been sick. I've been very, very sick. Oh, I think this is hand bangle. Oh, look at this. This is hand bangle. Oh, still pearl. Oh, I'm in heaven right now. I love accessories. If anybody knows me, oh yeah, I got some more eyelashes. This one's a dramatic. Va. Dramatic. Hey, just have to. Oh my goodness, look at this. Oof. Okay now. How is she happening? Yes. Your bank account might not be very happy with it. Oh, look at this. This one looks like a neck inside my head. My coconut. It's probably now that I don't have I do not have what is it called? I do not have wig or something. It's happening. It's happening. More eyelash. And this one was for like $1. How you doing? Look at this. Oh goodness me gracious. I love it. Ooh. This is beautiful. It looks like old gold. Old gold. Look at my size. You can't wear this to work. It depends on where you work though. Yeah. Okay, but this one is a mini, this one. They are all less than $2. $2. I'm into cobalt blue. I have already one pedal like this at home in this color. I have it in this color. I have it at home. Okay, that are complaints. How you like this? What? Shein. Okay, this one. Honestly, I don't know. These are like. It's been a long time, so I'm not even sure what is inside it. Let's see. Let's see what she has here. This looks like a scarf. Is this a scarf? What is this? Oh no, this is good girl. Shein. Shein.
Better.
Okay, guys, I'm not sure who I ordered this from. I thought it was Shein. It doesn't look like Shein. I don't know the name. This will not even size my twin baby. Not to talk of me. Look at. No, this is too little. The back is good, but 40 triple D or double D. This is like A. This is like A cup. How? Where? Who? Where? What will it cover? Nothing. Look, this will not do it. Who said? But it looks beautiful and it's well padded. It's beautiful. I'm sure somebody I will give it to will enjoy it. Sickness is not good though. Instead of me focusing on getting well, meditating, doing online training, no, she was there shopping. Look at her. Look at the consequence. So I can as well take this off. I don't know what it's called. I don't know. I've not adjusted it. I'm just putting it on just like that. How you like this? It's weak. I'm just thinking of my new life with wigs. Get wiggy with it. I don't even know what this is. If you ask me what this, I have no idea. To be honest with you, babe. Let's open it together. Let's open it. Oh, I'm already in love with the color. Whatever you are, I love you. Color. Look at the color though. Hey, my God, this good though. Oh my goodness, did I buy that in another color? Jesus. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Where did I get this from? I think this, I know it's not Shein. So let me take this one off and try it out. I just like the vibrant color. Madam not go fit. It's too tight. It's too tight. It's too tight. Let me open it in front of my papers. So you guys can be praying for me. I need help. Oh, Juvia's Place. Juvia's Place is Juvia's Place. Juvia's Place, darling. Yes, ma'am. Yeah. You guys know this is my favorite face palette. This is my favorite face palette. I don't joke. Once it's about to finish, replacement. And they had this on sale for. They had these ones on sale for like $5 or something. Like all the way from like almost $15 to like $5 for one. So I look at it. Juve. Juvia's Place tops. Let me show you the colors. This one, they're all like sand, like almost sand color. Cool. This one will be good for contouring the eyes. And then let's try this one, another finger. Let me try with this finger. Oh, this I love. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. As a lip topper, I use them. I always use this and this. I'm going to use this for sure as a lip topper. I can assure you that. Shorty, let me try it now. Why not? Where's that mirror? I think this is my darling. This is this one. Yeah, this is the old one, new one. Replace it before it finishes. And I finally got back my powder because I was missing it. See, I tried to replace it, but nothing replaces Juvia's Place calamari. Yeah! Juvia's Place calamari is back. I'm alive again. It's happening again. Juvia's Place. Juvia's. Warrior that I am. I'm an African goddess. Juvia's Place. Okay. The only two things left. I just like the color is so beautiful. Hot pink. Packaging. I'm not really into packaging, but it still makes you smile when something comes in a nice package, to be honest. This is Kajal. This is black. Ooh. Black Kajal. Nice. I love it. Ooh, look at the pigment though. Yes! Black. Yes. The packaging is so cute. It's cute. I'm not gonna lie, this packaging is cute. I've opened the package first. I was struggling with my eyebrow today because I left the one I normally use at home, so I was using all improvisables. She is here. Juvia's Place. Juvia's Place. This is eyebrow. For the eyebrow, to make the eyebrow look beautiful. I'm not going to touch it because I might have to actually give this away. I know I've opened it, but it's okay. It's to a friend, maybe I might actually be my own friend. Yeah, I give it to myself. Juvia's Place eyebrow pen. That's what I always talk to you guys about. Juvia's Place eyebrow pen. This is how it comes in. And this is it.